Is this what is happening in this country now? Watch this.
You should have read in the news that Edo State now has a debt profile of over 172 billion naira from about 112 billion naira as of December of 2024. And of course, this sharp increase has raised questions of what is this money being used for and whether or not we are progressive enough as a state to incur that level of debt. But what is not in the news is that it wasn't actually 112 billion naira that this debt rose from. As at December, the fourth quarter of 2025, December 31st, 2025, Edo debt profile was 91 billion naira. And the current state of the debt, as released by the Debt Management Office, DMO, of the first quarter of 2026 and the March 31st, 2026, now shows that we have a debt profile of over 172 billion. So, of course, there is an over 89% increase, with 81.19 billion naira being incurred as debt for 3 months. For 3 months between January, February, and March of 2026. What did the Edo State government do with 172 billion? Okay, for clarity, what did the Edo State government do with 81.19 billion naira? Now let's get into it. The report from the DMO actually shows that Edo is sixth on the rankings of most indebted states in Nigeria. So literally, Edo is sixth most indebted state in Nigeria. But actually, the record shows that we are 5 when you count state by state counting. Of course, between Lagos and Rivers, there is Abuja. So if you add the FCT, that's what you actually 6. But FCT is not a state, as it were, even if it's now being almost managed as a sub-national government like every other state. But in sincerity, by the Constitution of Nigeria, FCT is not a state. So we are 5. But if you want to still go by that, we are 6. And Lagos State is top on that list of the most indebted states with 1.2 trillion naira. Abuja, like I did say, is about 389 billion, which makes it second. But by state ranking, Rivers is second with 362 billion. Delta is third with 213 billion. Ogun.
Download Find Them now and upload your products and your services so that people can easily see them and buy from you. Also, anything that you're looking for, go to findamnow.com. You will see it there. Download the App Store, the app from App Store and Google Play Store.
I want you to listen to this video real quick. This video will explain to you Nigeria today to you. Oh yeah, watch it.
It's a thing of joy to have this feedback. When we took over, it was very challenging. What I did was talk to myself and define my background, accept the assets and liability of my predecessor. I asked for the job. I got to do it. And a capable partner in one of the thinking and reasoning has been Yemi Kadoso. So who can I put NCBL? We are in negative. If we say we have monetary policy or the reserve, it was in negative. You have 30 trillion printed and outstanding liability. There is no counterpart and the hope of repayment. So, sincerely, Yemi, thank you very much. Congratulations. So, the rest of the team is just the fact that we owe a duty to the country and self-belief that this is doable. Nigeria can build a nation of prosperity by itself. So if the stock market is doing well, we're doing well.
Definitely, it's the middle of the economy.
If we can teach this in the classroom to our undergraduates, if they can be in the classroom without harrowing of where to pay, what to pay, and how do they do it, we can build a nation of society.
Upload your products and services on findamnow.com so that people go dey buy from you. plenty, plenty.
It's safe to say congratulations to Osun people, the Osun people, and Nigeria generally, who campaigned vigorously, stood with tirelessly, and did everything they can within their reach, and even sometimes inconvenienced themselves just to ensure that democracy stood or was given another chance in Osun State. Unfortunately, some states do not have these same testimonies, but it's good to see it happen in Osun. I have my indifference with a whole lot of things, and I may say something in this video people may find very uncomforting or insensitive, but bear with me because it is important to say this. I want us to keep our eyes on the goal, and the goal is to end the reign of the APC. If you look through this whole process of the election in Osun State, you can tell that the APC do not go into elections giving others a fighting chance. They do not act like a competitor in an election. They go into elections telling you they will defeat you with everything within their means and even outside. Sometimes extra institutional, extra democratic, and extra societal. And they go to every election looking like you don't have a fighting chance. And for me, it is not good for democracy. Everybody should stand a chance to compete favorably, have a voice. The people, as much as important, because that is the hallmark of democracy. It is a government that is anchored on the people. And that's why I say government of the people, for the people, and by the people. When democracy is now a system of only a few deciding what happens to the larger majority, that itself is a problem and it is not sustainable. So for me, I am not a particular fan of Ademola Adeleke, and I didn't campaign for him. I felt the pulse of the Osun people, and it seems like they wanted to have their government renewed for another 4 years. But the APC, with all of their antics, came to demand that the Osun people's will not be heard. And that's why they brought in all the governors and everywhere, blah, 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 blah. But does Ademola Adeleke deserve to be re-elected by his people? Yes. Is this somebody we should not begin to celebrate because he won an election not being in the APC? No. A few persons who have even declared for the APC may even be better off. And I say that, like I said, it may offend you. Ademola Adeleke actually wanted to join the APC. He was refused by Gbenga Odiotola, who felt he should not have a second term because he didn't have a second term. And ever since we saw all of the
Download Find Am now from Google and App Store and upload your products and services so that people will be buying from you sharp, sharp. People will see your services and anything that you want to buy around your area, go to findamnow.com and search for it.
ẹ̀yin Yorùbá Ọ̀ṣun, ẹ̀yin Yorùbá ilẹ̀ Yorùbá lápapọ̀, ẹ wo ibi tán bayé wa jẹ́ dé, ẹ wo fídíò yìí.
They like it. They like it. Wọ́n mọ̀ sẹ́wọ̀n nígbà tó sẹ́wọ́n pé ní wọ́n jẹ́ láti jọ wọn ti dé bí ayé. Lẹ́yìn pé ní mo pé nǹkan, mo ti pé nǹkan wọ́n wà kárí. Ẹ̀dìbò fún mọ̀ ní orújì ní òye bá mi jí o. Ẹja wa kìfà yàtọ̀ òye tọ́lá àwọn ni wọ́n gbé fún yín o. Wọ́n ní ẹ̀dìbò fún mọ̀ ní orújì ní o. Ọ̀tọ̀ ọmọ yín o. Wọ́n ní ẹ̀dìbò fún ìyá wa gbé kalẹ̀ ìbílẹ̀ àti tèmi kó o.
Download Find Am now so that you can upload your products and services so that people go they buy from you steady. Findamnow.com. Go there and upload your products and services.